The album cover for Is This It by The Strokes was taken in an old-school particle detector called a bubble chamber. Particularly the big European bubble chamber used at CERN from 1973 to 1984. Bubble chambers are filled with a superheated liquid, like a liquid hydrogen neon mixture. They keep it at a really high temperature, and that raises the temperature required for it to boil. That's the same reason that at sea level water boils at 212 degrees, but at 7,500 feet elevation water boils at 198 degrees. The pressure on the liquid resists the formation of bubbles. A particle traveling through the chamber with either a positive or a negative charge leaves a trail called an ionization track. The liquid gets vaporized around the ionization track and forms little tiny microscopic bubbles. You take a picture of the particle trail and you study it and you learn something about particle physics. The whole thing is kept under a big magnetic field, and that causes the tracks to curve. Positively charged particles path one way and negatively charged particles path oppositely. And you can tell how much momentum it had by how steep the curve is. The more it curves, the less momentum it had. What's happening in the album cover is a neutrino comes in from the left, but you can't see its trail because neutrinos are little neutral guys. The neutrino smashes into a nucleus of the superheated liquid, and the primary collision creates 6 charged particles and a bunch of neutral ones that immediately decay into high-energy photons.